In the previous lecture, we learned about the strong and bold elements. In this lecture, we're going to continue learning about formatting, and we're going to learn about U element and mark element. The U element stands for underline. The underline element delivers text with a line right under the baseline of its content. The underline element is a semantic element. This is why it should be used differently as an abnormal text, such as proper names in Chinese or misspelled words. So we're going to do an example here. Okay, so we're going to start by typing the U letter there. And I'm going to close it right here. Okay, this is the way to define an underline tag. Okay, now let's save it and refresh the page. You can see two sentences have been underlined now. Now, don't use the underline element where it could potentially be confused for hyperlinks. And be aware of other elements that could almost always be more suitable than the underline element. If you need to underline a text, do it in a non-semantic way. For example, use a span instead. Apply CSS styles to it, and the same result can be accomplished. Next, we have the mark element. The mark element represents highlighted text, and it's a semantic element. The mark element basically marks text, such as for reference aims, for relevant search results, etc. So let's try it. So I'm gonna come right here, and I'm gonna define the mark element here, just with the mark, just M-A-R-K, and I'm gonna close it up right here. Okay, now I'm gonna save it and come to the browser, refresh, and you can see the, two sentences are highlighted now. And this is the way to define an underline element and the mark element. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna continue with our formatting, and we're gonna focus on superscript and subscript elements.